breakfast, lunch, dinner. Now you both pikin they do that one. Now anytime when poor my pikin see food, they open my chopper. Now make anytime when you see poor my pikin, the belly they always big, why the hand tiny, the leg tiny. Anyway, a day in the life of a content creator and a wife material who based in the UK. Now maybe this after 3 hours of stretching myself on bed, I don't finally wake up, open this kitchen, make better air enter my city room. As I see the sun, the thing they give me joy. People in the UK, you understand the joy that come along with you seeing sun in your house. I carried this here and come out yesterday so that I go fit peel am this morning. Every spirit of laziness out in Jesus' name. I don't carry my soap and water. I use and wash my hand before touching anything in my kitchen. I carry my plate come out. See, this was also beans. If you know the chop and meaning another thing you dey chop. I remember the first beans when I buy for this country. It dey smell kerosene. I say sure. Share kerosene I go use my money buy instead of beans. I been I dey take preservative. But this very beans, this particular one, it is sweet die. They call a honey beans in answer. Since when I don't buy and I wait and they use to cook my beans, I use to cook my akara and moi at the same time. Now I don't use my Niger brand that take go head, come fit around. It was so easy. Who told say soft life not good? My sister, poverty is calling you, pick the call. As I don't wash and finish because it not to take for water. We need to leave them for water, make it soak. As na akara won't use and do. I don't carry this my native pajama, use and cross my neck. Not tell me say make I throw away. I never finish. We need to press the head come out before I carry the new one come out. Go use that. As a woman, when they reason the economic of this country, we got to the economize and economizable. Now I don't press the new one. Use and brush my mouth. I don't brush finish. Carry this my CeraVe cleanser. Use and cleanse my face. Then bundle myself. Go do the bathing and bathable. Baby girl is done and looking fresh and freshable. I don't already use my serum to rub my face. It don't dry. Then carry this my face cream. Use and lock the face. As it slam my slammable. It give you instant glowness. Remember, not too much stress today. Guys, the joy me see so they do me for body care. Come like say make I just jump at inside beach. If you say one day close to me, then wash my hand again as cream in my hand. Then come do last rinsing for these beans. Carry my onions, bring and come out. Use and fair play Jackie Chan first. Carry this my pepper, carry and come out. Then do the cleaning and cleanable. Come out here, make I forget space. Do my do. Then can go carry this my Niger blender. That big one, no, they give me waiting I want. You know they give me that smooth paste. So I need to use this small one. Then blendable. Pour them inside this bigger bowl. As na akara I want do, I need a round bowl because I want bitter round. I pour them inside this round bowl. Why are you dirty? Who is gonna clean you? Anyway, we got to do auto cleaning. At this point, it's clean and cleanable. Carry water, drink on top. See, if you're like me, when on a light drink water for your life, you need this can in your life because it will give you time when you take drink water. So they look the bowl, you know, say I must complete my day. Oh, now I don't carry salt, pour them inside the blended beans. As now only pepper, salt, and onions I tell they do my akara. Unless you want commode the taste of akara, come out for the one when we know, put them for another dimension. If they add a ginger, garlic, gbogbo, pack everything inside. Now I don't cut my pepper and onions. Remember, now only my badge I want to put this pepper and onions because organo they like seeing for inside in food at all. I don't put my pan for fire. Then on the fire, make the pan soft with the dry and dryable. Carry my kitchen paper, pour them inside this my bowl. Carry oil, pour them inside the fry pan. Like in the oil needs to be very, very much because you want your akara to float on top oil. Not be the one when you go to gum your fry pan like saying a pancake you won't do. Madam learn. Anyway, I don't carry all the akara cut and put inside finish. It don't they cook and cookable. At this point, one side don't cook. Now to flip the other side. Remember, akara need medium heat fire to cook. Not be fire when over fire or fire when over low. If not, it go soak your oil or it go burn the inside, not go dry. This point, we don't need to open one to check whether it done because this one I don't they do since when I did for small picking. So if you not say you be newcomer, always open one to check whether the inside don't cook. To avoid story that touches the heart, you carry a carapu for mat, you go come pour water potter for your mat because the inside still get beans when not cook. I don't remove fresh but this second batch I dey add pepper and onions put inside because this one I won't bite pepper chop for my akara when I dey chop. Not be every day that they sacrifice give oga. They make food as he wants. So we need to make am as I want and as he want. I don't carry my lady big custard when I buy for wosu. I carry and come and pour them inside my plate. As I dey do the mixy and mixable, still they put eye for my akara. At this point we don't filter the last one come up for inside fire to avoid burnt. Then we put the last warm. See, this is what you need if you want to make your custard. This is the consistent you need. I don't carry my hot water and I pour them inside. Depends how you take one make it thick rich. If you want make you overtake thick, you still make and they very thick. But I think no one need that unless you want use liquid milk instead of dried warm. At this point, as the custard still dey hot, you miss thoroughly. Come carry plate, do the serving and servable. It's just me and oga as pikin don't enter nursery, one go read book, come give you papa and the mama, make you papa and the mama dey house, suffer the chop and do the eating and eatable for house. At this point, make we serve myself and oga, but God know say this akara why I dey serve myself, so I fit not even chop reach 3 for inside because my mouth and my nose don't full. Is it just me? After you don't cook finish, food not dey hungry you to chop. Now later you can go visit the table. Okay, or make I just test you. The custard go down with Bovita milk and sugar. At this point we have done. Let madam do the cleaning and cleanable. I don't spray all the sprayable, spray am for on top my cylinder. Then do better auto cleaning and cleanable. See, is it just me? Like when your kitchen is clean, it kind of make you heal. But when it's dirty, you go like say you dey see. But wait, oh, sure you know say we don't chop akara finish, all your body don't make leg na to sit down watch TV na dey head. May we carry our last strength, they do the washing and washable. They arrange all the plate for their various positions before I know I'm done for this particular day. Now that I don't wash all the plate finish, arrange the spoon for where they belong, then carry all the plates, carry and go keep for where they belong. See, normally now here rich man pikin suppose go relax while the maid or the helper do the cleaning and cleanable. May God let all of us test the spirit of richness before we go meet God. Believe me, it not just a come like that. Is either one person walk towards and like eradicate and like demolition come up for the family and me poverty. Is either your parents do them or you do them. If your parents do them, you go enjoy them. Them go enjoy around 70%, while you enjoy 100% till you die. But if not, you will do it yourself. Like you be the one to eradicate it. You enjoy it 70%. Why the next generation take over? They'll come they call on a rich family. May you be that soul to eradicate that poverty.